Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to cover the where clause and also operators which we use in conditions. So and also we will see the operators which we separate the multiple conditions which we give in where clause in the select query or update statement. So kindly like, share and subscribe the channel for supporting me. So let's go into the video. So uh, earlier we have already created the table called teachers data, so we use the same table. Select star from teachers underscore data. So this is the table which we have already created in the earlier videos. So in today's topics we are going to cover the where clause. So to cover the where clause, we'll just see the basic syntax how we use in MySQL. So if I'm selecting the query, select star from teachers data. I will be writing a sample, so let's name it as table name, the sample syntax. Select stars from table name where, and we will give the condition here, condition 1. So this is the simple syntax which we use. So now you have seen the data which we have inserted in teachers data table. So there are columns like employee ID, first name, last name, mobile, PFID, organization, age and salary. So we will filter out the data using multiple operators and giving multiple conditions. So let's go and see what are the operators we are going to use in conditions. So first it will be equal to. So equal to. So second, so let's go and see. So equal to basically used for the particular value which we are going to select. For example, I want to select employee ID triple to 1. So for triple to 1, I just want to select. What I'll do, I'll give the equal to symbol. I already know the particular unique value in the table, so I just directly want to see the data of that particular employee ID, so I'll directly give equal to. So this is one operator. Second operator is less than. Second operator is less than, and third operator is greater than. So here also we can take an example, like we'll implement this all the operators. So we'll just briefly go through each and every operator. So this is less than. So if I want to select employee ID less than triple to 3, so I can use this. So if I want to select salary below 10,000, so I just write a query using the condition where salary less than 10,000. So I'll get that multiple rows of data where the salary is below 10,000. If I want greater than 10,000, I'll use greater than symbol, greater than operator. So next there is less than or equal to. So less than equal to nothing but value which is less than the particular value which we have provided in the filter, or equal to. If I want to see the salary less than or equal to 20,000, so the data will return values of salary which have 20,000 and also below 20,000. So this is less than or equal to. Next is greater than or equal to. Same, the values which are more than 20k and equal to 20k will be displayed if I want to select that particular kind of filter criteria. So next is between. So between is like it's a particular set of range. Like I just want to select employee ID between 222 and 222 and to 222 So I'll use the between operator. So it is nothing but set of range, you can say range of between two values. So next is like. The like is also an operator where we can use it if we have some particular last name or we have some particular first name. So I just want to see like values like, for example, last name we are seeing Paul in the last name in the first row. So I just want to see values like Paul or starts with or ends with Paul. We can use like operator here. Actually we'll do a dedicated video for like, where there are few more scenarios which we can cover in that next video. So in this video we'll be learning the basic like condition which we use. Similar, you can say similar. Values. Okay, so next is in operator. In is nothing but to select the multiple values in a single condition. Like if I want to select 2221 and 2223 in a single condition, so I'll use in clause, like more than one value if you want to filter, like 2221 comma 2223 comma 2224 to select multiple, to set multiple values in the filter condition. So let's see how we can use the operators in the single condition. So this is our table. So what I'll do, we'll select the table, I'll have an idea. So here we'll go with the equal to operator. Okay, so in the first equal to operator, let's see. So, we'll give a condition like select star from teachers underscore data, where condition will be like, we'll take it as employee ID. I just want to select 2225 employee ID data. So what I'll do, employee ID equal to, we already know the value, so we can directly enter 2225. I just want to see the 2225 employee IDs data in teachers data. So this is the where condition which we have applied with equal to operator in the condition. So let's run the query and see. We got the output. Now it's for 2225 ID. This is the first name Tripathi, last name is Sharma, and mobile number, PFID, organization name, age, and salary. So this is how we'll use equal to operator. So let's take one more example. Select star from teachers underscore data, where mobile equal to, I'll give some random number, let's see whether it's available or not. So let's enter. So there is no value, no, there is no any mobile number in the database. So if I give this 222's mobile number and we check the output, so I'll run the same query, control enter. So there are two mobile numbers and two entries with say mobile number. This is how we'll use equal to operator. Okay, so we have covered the equal to operator. So let's move to less than. So in less than, how we use the less than operator in where clause. So select star from teachers underscore data where employee id, let's check the data once more and we'll see here. You can see there are 13 rows, right? We'll pick 22227, so we'll take 2227 and from the employee id column, and we'll say we just want values employee id is less than 2227. So if I click control enter, so you can see the output. You can see the output where all the values are below 2227. All the values are below 2227, right? And also we'll use one more thing, one more column to fetch the same data. Just copy paste the query below and we'll just change the condition. So I just want to apply a condition called age, where age is less than 25. Let's say 25. Let's control enter. So there are only two entries, two people whose age is below 25. Those are Ankit Paul and Praveen K. This is how we'll use less than operator, and same with greater than operator. So I'm taking the same query, I'll simply change the operator to greater than of 2227. So let's control enter and execute the query. So here for above the 2227 employee ID, there are almost 6 rows of data available in the database. Okay, so this is how we'll use greater than and less than. So let's see how to use greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to cases. So we'll take the same query and we'll just add equal to. So this is the less than or equal to operator. So let's execute the query and see. So when we executed this query, less than query, we got values below 2227. So here it is less than or equal to. So this is a simple math. So we'll get, along with all the 6 rows, we'll get 7th row with 2227, because here we have applied less than or equal to. Same will be applied for greater than or equal to case. So if I have given greater than or equal to 2227, so along with 2227 we'll get all the 6 rows below, like all there are 7 rows of data in this with this where clause and with this condition. And let's say how to use between clause. So select star from teachers data where employee underscore id between. So this is the operator which we are going to use, between. We need to set a particular range, so we'll set a range from 222 and 222 So let's see what is the output. So this is the syntax which we use between, and we need to use and. So there should be a start value and there should be an end value which we are going to set a particular range. We need to select the between of 222 and 222. So let's execute the query and see. So between 222 and 222 there are 6 rows, includes 222 and 222 also. This is how we'll use between operator. And let's see how to use the operator. So how to use like operator? So select star from teachers data, last name, last underscore name, like it's a string value, so we have given single quotes. So like Paul, let's say Paul. So let's select the query and just execute it. So you can see there are two entries with last name as Paul, like Paul, like Paul. If I give Ankit, so there are no values with first name, last name. So let's see with first name. So with first name, like Ankit, like we'll say AN. For example, if I give AN and we'll see, so there are nothing like AN. We'll make a video for like where how to select a particular or few records which starts with particular alphabet and particular value and which ends with particular value, and using like operator. So in this video we'll be going forward to in. So select star from teachers underscore data, where age in, I just want to check only who are 18 and who are 25 in the data, whose age is 18 and whose age is 25 at the same time. I don't want the range, I don't want particular only 18 and only 25. I just want both the 18 and 25 at a time. So what I'll do, I'll use in operator to select any particular values at a time. I'll use in operator. So let's execute the query. So there are only two entries which are of 18 only. So we'll just check the data and we'll see what are the different values. So there is no 25 value. I think we'll give 29 here. Okay, let's run. We got three entries which are of 218 and 129. So this is how we'll use in operator. So what we'll do, we have seen how to apply single condition. These all are single conditions which we have applied. So we will be using multiple conditions also. So like if I want to give two conditions or I want to give three conditions, we can use few more operators to separate the conditions which we use. So there are three conditions, three operators which are AND, AND, OR and NOT not. So we'll see how we are going to use AND or NOT operators. So we'll just copy one of the select query with where clause with single condition and we'll apply in the this condition, and we'll see how to use AND operator to separate two different conditions. So what AND does? So AND does, if I give two conditions like employee ID should be 2 to 5 and age, we'll see, no, we don't give employee ID, we'll give age. So we'll give age equal to 18, age should be 18, and salary should be 20k. Okay, this is our condition. So what here AND does, what is the work of AND, what the task AND fulfills here? So what AND does is AND make sure to fulfill the both the conditions which you have provided. Like after where we have given age equal to 18 and salary equal to 20k. So what it does, this complete query makes sure that age and salary of the particular filter should be matched. So age should be 18 and salary should be 20,000. Only this criteria of data will be displayed as output. So let's execute the query and we'll check the output. So there are only two rows which are where age is 18 and the salary is 20k. If I change it to 32 and we'll see. So there is only one record of age 32 and salary 20k. I'll just give 25k and we'll see. So for also 25k there is only one employee with age 32. So this is how we'll use AND operator to separate multiple conditions. And also we can apply one more AND, and I'll give pf underscore id equal to pe126. So let's see, it should return the same output which we got earlier. So let's execute it. See, we can also apply 3 or 4, 5, 6 conditions using this AND operator. So let's see how to use OR operator. So select star from teachers underscore data where age equal to 18 or age equal to 32. So in OR operator, like AND operator, it will return both 18 and 32 values who have 18 and who have 32 years of age. Both the data will be displayed, but if we have only the data for 18 years and we don't have for 32, so it will show only 18. If we have data for 32 years old of age, so the data will be displayed only for 32, and if it is not available at 18, it won't stop. So in AND condition, all the current conditions should be matched, but in OR condition, either it can be either one condition can be matched to fetch the data. So if I say if I try to check 18 from AND, so in this case there won't be any data because there are 25,000 salary holders. There is a record of P126 PFID, but there is no 18. So in this, if you apply the same scenario, same query condition with OR clause, you can see with OR, I'll keep it as OR, and we'll execute the query, you'll understand. So if I enter, see, it is returning the value of age 18 with the salary is not 25. It is returning the salary of 25k where the age is not 18, and also it is returning PE126 with all the above because the condition is matching 18 years of age. So for that, the 2 rows of data is being displayed, and the condition is matching the age 32 and 126. So it is also returning the 126 value. So if I erase this and I say that where age is 18 or salary is 25k, so it will return both the salary who have 25k and also the age who have 18 years. So you can see age with salary 20k, salary with age 32. So there is nothing, no, there is no restriction that both the conditions to be matched, then the data will be displayed. So it applies the logic in the table that where the first condition row of data will be displayed and the second condition row of data also will be displayed. So in the same case, if you go to end clause, so in end it will check all the conditions in this each and every single row of data which is available in the table. So end condition, it will check in first row, it will check where the age is 18, 25,000 of salary, PF ID is this. So in that case only it will return the row, that particular row where all these three conditions will be matched. So that's the difference between OR and AND operator in MySQL. So we will check how to use NOT operator. So if we are giving any particular condition, we don't want to match the condition, like not, where we'll use where not, and we'll give the condition as employee underscore ID equal to 2229 2221. So if I execute the query, it will return all the employee IDs where the value is not triple to 1. So this is how we'll use not operator in MySQL. So just to recap, I am just concluding that in AND, data to be in a particular row, all the conditions which were provided in the query to be matched, then only the data will be written. But in OR condition, at least one condition is matched, then the data will be displayed. Either of the condition, the data should be matched. So if we come to not operator, it will apply as exclude the condition which we have provided. So this is how we'll use operators in MySQL. So we'll make a dedicated video for like operator in next phases. So thank you for the watching video. Subscribe the channel for supporting me.